Owl Manor Veterinary is focused on point-of-care regenerative medicine to treat lameness in equine patients for soft tissue, tendon, ligaments, and importantly, joint osteoarthritis. Our point-of-care regenerative medicine portfolio has a proven clinical effectiveness with the point-of-care convenience to allow efficiency and effectiveness to your patient. Everything is at point of care, whether it's ambulatory or in the hospital clinic. There's that convenience to the administering vet, to the owner, the trainer, the rider, and importantly to the patient.
I've had the privilege of being acquainted with Owl Manor Veterinary for about 1.5 years and have used some 350 of their ProStride kits for the treatment of various joint and ligament tendon injuries. I have to say that the whole process is very, very efficient. It's a very nice closed system and has provided excellent horse-side care for regenerative therapies for horse joints, tendons, and ligaments.
I had heard about ProStride from multiple other veterinarians and had become very interested in it and looking for alternatives to PRP, IRAP, stem cell, and just anything new and exciting. I had heard very good reports on it. Researching it, I spoke to multiple veterinarians, and especially some veterinarians I consider very good veterinarians and have a high regard and respect for. And they were very positive on it. I spoke to them at length and decided to go ahead and start using it myself. I've been very pleased with it. It was the simplicity, ease of use, the sterility, and then my results.
In our practice, we have started to use a lot more regenerative medicine than we used to in the past for many reasons, whether steroids may be contraindicated or certain clients just prefer regenerative therapies over other techniques. I've started using ProStride and PRP in many joints, tendons, ligaments, and what we found with ProStride is that we can treat the horse quickly, we can do it effectively, and we can do it with one treatment as opposed to multiple times where we have to inject the horse or do multiple therapies. The other advantage that I really like about the ProStride system from Owl Manor is that I can do this on the farm. The client does not have to haul the horse to me. So it saves us time, saves us money, and there's no shipping of the horse if the horse is not fit to travel.
We've been super happy, particularly in the cases, the chronic joints that have not responded to anything else. So joints that we've used HA, steroids, we have been unimpressed. So ProStride has been something we've been able to bring to these cases and keep those horses competing. Horses that were pretty much at the end of their career, we've been able to give them a little bit more time.
Education is a focal point for Owl Manor Veterinary in differentiating our regenerative medicine portfolio. Our focus is to educate the veterinarians, the practices, the riders, the trainers, the groomers, to allow for the most effective treatment for their patients.
I have a practice that is a combine because I work at the university, the National University of Mexico, and then also I work at the racetrack. We have a project with arthritis, which we block the horses, and after we block the horses a specific joint, if they have a response and they haven't responded to steroids, we decide to use ProStride. So we're lucky enough to see that if they have synovitis and they have arthritis in a specific region, ProStride can help.
For additional information on Owl Manor Veterinary, please visit our website at www.omveterinary.com.